Good morning, Ben Alexander here, and in this video I'd like to talk about the 25% tariff on foreign-made vehicles and how that's actually going to accelerate some manufacturing technology here in the United States. Now, what am I talking about? I'm recording this in March of 2025, and Trump put a 25% tariff on all vehicles that are not made in the United States. And there's quite a few companies that don't make a vehicle here. Porsche is one of them, Audi's one of them. And so what this tariff does is any company that doesn't have a footprint in the United States is going to lose a tremendous amount of sales, because even with luxury cars, they're still price sensitive. Now, companies like Mercedes, they make some cars overseas, some cars here. The Sprinter van, the commercial van, is made in South Carolina. They also make the GLE SUV in Alabama. So companies like that are spread out, they won't see as much of an effect. Hyundai just announced a new manufacturing plant in Louisiana in March of 2025. And Honda and Toyota have had manufacturing plants here in the United States for 20 years. So here's what's going to happen. The cost cutting that you need to build to take a product that's being made overseas with cheaper labor and build it here, you basically need a state-of-the-art plant that employs robotics so that you can keep your costs down. Obviously, with a robot, you don't have to worry about OSHA requirements. A robot can work 24 hours a day. You can have a manufacturing facility that, once you cover the cost of the robot, your only labor costs are the maintenance on the robot. So right now in Changshu, China, Honda has built a plant that uses like 90% robots. Now, what's interesting about that is if Honda can figure out how to do that in Japan, they can also figure out how to do it here. So one of the ripple effects of this 25% tariff is that these foreign car manufacturers who are going to build a brand new plant here, they're going to go all in on robotics. There's going to be a couple humans working at the plant, but if they can do it with a robot and artificial intelligence, why would you put a worker in that? You know, a worker can get tired, a worker can get sick, a worker can get drunk. A robot doesn't do that. So that's one of the ripple effects of Trump's 25% tariff, is this advanced manufacturing processes that these companies are going to have to adopt in order to be competitive here in the United States. Hope you find that interesting. Have a great day.